Hello everyone, a warm welcome from every one of us here at Soho Dental. You know, we're all wearing masks now, whether it's on public transit or when we're doing our grocery shopping. So a few words on masks that probably help all of us out as we think about wearing masks in public. Of course, we as dental professionals wear masks all the time. I've been wearing a mask for 23 years, and so I just wanted to share a couple of tips and hopefully help you out. So putting on a mask, we really have to think about what we're doing when we're putting on a mask. Most of our masks are going to have a metal strip in them, and of course that's the part that goes against your nose. And when we think about putting on our mask, we don't want to be touching our face. So we'd like to make sure our hands are clean, and then we want to stretch the bands like so, put the mask over our face, and use the metal band here and just pinch that against your nose, and then pull the mask down so that it covers your face. So now you've got maximum coverage of your face. Now, once you're ready to remove the mask, make sure that you do wash your hands or sanitize your hands. So now you're at home, you sanitize your hands, and when you remove your mask, you want to pull like so, stretch the elastic out like that to avoid touching your face. Once you're home, you can think about putting your mask in a container. A Tupperware container like this would be a good idea. And remember that the exterior of the mask is contaminated. So what we'd like to do is bear that in mind and place the mask in the container like so. Now the mask can be left like this to dry, and you can reuse this. When you reuse this, think about the contaminated surface, which is on the underside. Wash your hands, pick up your mask with the elastic, bring the mask to your face, like so, and you can just adjust that like so. And if you want, you can wash your hands again. But hopefully, if it's had enough time to dry, then the surface is less contaminated than it was the previous time. So there we go. A few tips on how to remove a mask, how to store a mask, and we hope this helps you out. Wearing a mask has become so important, especially as we think about being in public spaces where we can't maintain our social distancing. Anytime that we're going to be in close contact with others, where we can't maintain that 2 meters or 6 feet, it becomes really, really important that we protect ourselves, but also equally important that we're protecting others. And this is where this becomes so important. So if we're taking care of our family members, for example, who may be elderly, or if we're in public transit, anytime you're in an enclosed place, in close contact with people, where we don't have air circulation, so an interior space, think about wearing a mask, and it's going to help all of us out. We're all in this together, and we're going to get through this.